Greetings and welcome to my channel. This is Sorcerer Tal. You can also find me on Facebook in the Sorcerers Guild. Today we are doing an unboxing. We have began a merch site with Redbubble, and this is our first order of merch that I've gotten from them. And we've got a few things here. I'm not sure which thing's which. I guess we'll find out. Okay, so first package here. A couple of these probably have more than one thing in them. Let's see what this is. Okay, there's two things in here. Looks like the first thing is the scarf. I actually got this for my mother. It's a scarf with the Cash Cow Sigil on it. It's actually really nice quality. I'm pretty happy with this. This is cool. Yeah, she's gonna love that, I think. Very cool. I like it. It's pretty good size to it. Got the Cash Cow Sigil on there. Okay, let me get this one folded up and put it back in. I will put links to each one of these to where you can purchase any of them if you would like, as well as a link to the site itself if you'd rather get these images on something else. Okay, so the scarf's pretty cool. Like I said, my mom's gonna love that. Excited to give that to her. And the next one, we've got, looks like this is the shirt maybe? Yes. It's the shirt. Let's see it from I want to see it too. I haven't seen it, so I'll put it right up to the TV. Okay, that's the shirt. There we are. That's pretty cool, huh? It's got the Guild star on there, our official seal. You can get one of these and wear it around to, you know, endorse the Guild, I guess. And of course, purchase of these shirts does go toward Guild functions. There are contests that we have in the Guild and stuff, and the money made from this will be going towards that. And of course, now we'll be able to offer shirts and stuff like that in the contests that we have as prizes. Okay. So there's the shirt. And I guess this is going to be a try-on haul, because I really want to put that shirt on. Okay. Let's see here. What am I going to do with this? Put it in a pocket like that. Hopefully that'll be alright. I really want to put this on. This is awesome. Cool. There's the image. Just see what it is. And yes, it's the postcard of the Cash Cow Sigil. These only cost like $1 or something. So, you know, if you want to support the Guild, or you just want a copy of the Cash Cow Sigil to charge, this is one of the cheaper options. Just a little postcard. Oh, getting some glare there. See if I can get it to you where it's not glared. There we are. No, not really. Not too good at these unboxing videos. Sorry, guys. There we go. There we are. So yeah, you could buy one of these postcards. Just, you know, help support the Guild. Or, I mean, I see no reason why we couldn't be charging these, right? Just like any other sigil is a pre-made sigil. You can go ahead and charge, keep this on your altar, and be interacting with the Cash Cow Sigil. I see no reason why those wouldn't work. You might want to, like, trace over it yourself with your energy. Probably be a good way to charge it and then blow on it. Put that up on your altar. And there you go. You could get a shirt and wear it with intent, and I think that that would work as well. Also got socks. I didn't order socks, but you know, I think that's an interesting idea with the Cash Cow Sigil on there. Be so that with every step you're stepping into a path of abundance and stability. It's thought. I know you're not used to me marketing on here, but I'm pretty excited about the merch. And I was hoping maybe you guys would be too. And this one is just a sticker. Same thing. Cash Cow Sigil. But this one's a sticker, so you can put it on something. I haven't decided exactly what I'm going to put that on yet. Okay, so we've got the poster, we've got the sigil, there's the scarf, we've got the shirt on. Let's see what else we've got here. This is another one I'm pretty excited about. You know, I'm going to grab that real quick. I'm going to put these on my hat. A hat that I have designed recently. Not quite finished with it, honestly. But one of the things that it's going to have on it is these pins here. These I'm super excited about because of that. Okay, so there's the pins. Got the Guild Star and the Cash Cow Sigil. I will be putting both of those on the side of my hat. Not going to do that right now, though. I got all excited and grabbed the hat. I'll put the hat on. Okay. Let's see. What else have we got here? Huh. Some kind of bonus sticker. Redbubble must have sent. Must have fell out with the other sticker and I didn't notice. It's got an R and a B for Redbubble. I don't know. Free sticker that came with it, I guess. Okay. So let's see. I've got the one I'm really excited about. This, I'm guessing, is the Tapestry. Gonna replace that one, and it's huge. I think it was only like $35 or something like that. Which isn't bad for a Tapestry the size of this one anyways. Because this thing is massive. Well, it's not massive, but it's bigger than that one. There we are. I don't know if you can see the whole thing or not, because I can't really. Okay. Well, you'll be seeing this one a lot in the future, because this will be my new background. But they have tapestries, they got throw rugs. Or not throw rugs, throw blankets. They had all kinds of stuff. Okay. So there's the Tapestry. Like I said, that's one of the ones I'm the most excited about. It's pretty awesome. I haven't really got to see it myself. Hold on, I want to see it. I was just looking at it on the camera. Okay. So that's the Redbubble Tapestry. You'll be seeing that a lot on the back wall here. You replace that one. Okay, here's the mug. There's one with the star as well. I wanted the Cash Cow on there. I'll probably be ordering some other things in the future. Maybe we'll do some more unboxing videos later. But this is all that I ordered for now. And yeah, I mean, stuff turned out pretty cool for a first run. I would like to encourage you to purchase some of our products and help support the guild. And like I said, the proceeds does go to some of the proceeds does go towards guild functions. You know, it helps me buy new cameras for YouTube and stuff like that as well. But anyways, that will be it for this video. Thank you once again for joining us. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please take the opportunity to do so now. Until next time, bright blessings and an interesting fate. This has been Sorcerer Tal.